I'm gonna get my key cutting machine. I'm gonna pause the recording. Hey Meta. Hey Meta. Alright, this is how simple it is to rekey these Kwikset smart key locks. You put in the old key that works, turn it 90 degrees, you put in this little piece right there, pull the key out. There it is. That's all you need to do. Old key doesn't work in there anymore. Alright, well I'm actually happy that this happened. So, when I was rekeying the locks, one of the locks didn't really take and didn't really get rekeyed. And now the old key won't work in it, and the new key won't work in it. So there's a few things that we gotta do. We'll have to reset it with this device right there. First thing that we do is remove this clip so that comes out. We set this all the way to the right. Insert. All the way to the left. There we go. We're gonna, till you hear the click, slide the key in, remove it, turn it 90 degrees, and should be good to go. This one is sticking a little bit, so, and that's probably why the rekey didn't take. So we're just gonna lube it up a little bit. There you go. Looks good. Put this back in.